Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Clear the Clutter 2021 series that I am doing here on this channel. I started this series because as soon as I went back to work, things got so cluttered and so crazy. While I was here in the home, I was keeping everything clean, but I had not really taken the time to declutter and reorganize things. So I said, you know, it is the beginning of the year. I can't believe it is almost March. Seriously, like, I feel like January took forever and then February was like, blink of an eye. But anyways, so I am working on my junk drawer today. And as you can see, I'm in my room. My junk drawer is in my room because most people have their junk drawer in their kitchen. My kitchen has so little space that I cannot afford to have a junk drawer in there. So I decided that if I had to have a place to have miscellaneous things, it was going to be in here. And this is like a little bit crazy for me right now. I can still open it, but I can tell that there's stuff in here that really needs to go. And this is something that you can tackle in like 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how bad your junk drawer is, or if you have multiple junk drawers. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you have a junk drawer? Is it in your kitchen? And do you have multiple junk drawers? I'm really interested to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. But again, I say take 10 to 15 minutes. Dump this drawer out, and you'd be surprised how quickly you can do it. And this is something that most people have in their homes that really need to be decluttered. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my junk drawer. I don't even know what a broken fishing reel, but yes, I need to get this cleaned out because I've cleaned out my drawers. But look, I think this is a calendar from 2020. Yes, 2020.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars, where you wanna go. The things that we can do, don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me?
Like now. So I took these organizers that are from the Dollar Tree, guys. These white ones. See how nicely they fit? They are from the Dollar Tree. So $1. And I had these in my master bathroom, but because we're doing a reno, they're not currently going to be in the bathroom until the bathroom's done. And with the new vanity and everything, I think I'm going to get new organizers for it. So I decided to go ahead and use this to organize my stuff. I actually was, for the longest time, just taking these and putting them in the drawer as a little makeshift kind of organizer. So if you don't have organizers, you can always use boxes. Get creative. And it's still, even though it's not, of course it's not perfect, but the point isn't that it's perfect, it just helps to hold things and keep things contained. I would say I had these in here for about 8 years. Look, you can even see where I taped them sometimes. And so I'm glad I finally fixed that, and it looks much better now. So, and it didn't take much. I could have done that a long time ago because they were from the Dollar Tree. But anyways, this is all garbage, stuff that came out of there, things that need to be thrown away, or if I can find the matches to these socks. Okay, so this is the first camera I was using when I started my YouTube channel before my husband bought me my other one. And now I have just been using my phone, as you can see, ever since I got the iPhone. I just feel like the quality is much better until I possibly get back to using the camera. In any case, take a look at all of these phones. Why? Explain to me why I have all of these phones here. This one's my husband's. So my theory is that I think I had pictures in here that I'm not sure how I was planning on getting them off, but I never got them off before I got these phones shut off. This one is the oldest one. This one I think has baby pictures of my daughter that I never backed up. So I think that was the reason. I might charge them and see what I can do. I'm not sure if I can do anything to get these pictures, but because there's no service on these phones, but I will try and see what I can come up with. But yes, that's my pile of phones. Oh my gosh, I am interested to know what's there. Then all of this is going to go with memorabilia. This is my husband and I's wedding cases that I do not want to get rid of. Oof. What's in here? Memorabilia stuff, old keychains and things like that. So these are things that I just don't want to get rid of. This is my glass ring. So gotta put that away. I'm not sure why I had them in there taking up space, but all of this needs to get put away in the closet and get that organized. So I think I did a great job getting this organized and getting this all nice and clean. And I did it in under 15 minutes. Now, I will say if your junk drawer is much worse, it probably will take you longer to get it done. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys got some motivation for some quick decluttering. Find your junk drawer and get started, because it's something small that will make a big impact. This is super organized now, and while it still has some miscellaneous things in it, it is way better than it was before. And don't forget, you can go to the Dollar Tree and find awesome organizers for just $1 to put in these drawers. So it is definitely worth it. These organizers in here, $4. So it's not expensive to do. If you have a messy drawer that you have just been trying to figure out how to organize it and you feel like organizers for drawers are too expensive, go to the Dollar Tree. You will not regret it. So I hope I inspired you today and that you will get your junk drawer organized. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile.